The Gauteng Provincial Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Elias Mawela, is conducting a revamped Operation Okai Molao in Mamelodi. He's with SAPS and other law enforcement agencies and are stamping the authority of the state in that part of Tshwane. The province seeks to support the Mamelodi police station in order to address its policing needs and combat crime.
Yet another Operation Okai Molao here in Mamelodi. We're going to hear what exactly inspired it to target this particular city. I'm joined now by Lieutenant General Elias Mawela, the Gauteng Police Commissioner, to elaborate on why we are here. Thank you so much for your time, Lieutenant General. Why are we here today?
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Okai Molao is back with the bang. We have targeted Mamelodi because Mamelodi is having its own challenges. Amongst the others is the hijackings and the social ills of Mamelodi, abuse of intoxicating liquor, abuse of drugs. It's a problem. Now there is also emerging priorities, threats like gangsterism in the schools. So we came here to assert the authority of the state and also to say to Mamelodi community that we are aware of what is happening here. We come in to maintain law and order.
Yes, and Lieutenant General, there's an issue that crime keeps rising rapidly despite the Operation Okai Molao. And it's raising a perception that this might just be a once-off PR stunt, which is effective for one day, and then when other times continue, there's no police presence. What's your reaction to that assertion?
Yeah, you see, the escalation of crime, it remains a problem in the province. But how do we measure our performance? We ask ourselves a question that if we are not doing what we are doing, what will the crime situation look like? So each and every operation which we are doing here, it does give us the desired result. It has an impact on the crime situation in the province. Surely if we can sit back and do nothing, I can assure you that things will be worse than how it is right now.
Yes, and there's been about 5,760 people that have been murdered between April and June, which is a very high increase. And rape as well has gone very high, and all kinds of assaults. They're actually very high, and they keep increasing despite operations that are there to put a dent and to assert the authority of the state. What is your response to that?
Yes, firstly we need to look at what are the causal factors for these murders and where are these murders taking place. Firstly, we have also, on doing our own assessment, we have realized that the murders are mostly occur or are being perpetrated by the people who knows each other, and it usually happens where there is abuse of liquor around the taverns, around the shebeens. So it clearly tells that, it's so difficult for the police to can prevent such kind of crimes. Hence, if me and you, we are friends, we are drinking together, I decide to murder you, the police won't be there to can assist you. So there are deep-rooted issues which needs to be dealt with, and amongst the others is the social ills in our communities. So we need to work with our communities, every activist to assist the communities to say, when you drink responsibly. And when you are enjoying yourself, stop assaulting each other. Amongst the others, when you look at the number of the assault cases we are generating here in the province, it's the biggest number. And from the assault, it may start with an assault common, it will graduate to assault GPH, it will end up being attempted murder, it will end up being murder. So if the people of Gauteng, they can stop being violent amongst themselves, stop assaulting each other, surely these murder incidents which are happening here will drastically come down. The murders which are happening whereby we expect we the police to can do something about that. For example, in the illegal mining environment, in the robberies, there we take a full responsibility because we're supposed to be on the street to prevent those robberies. Ultimately, people are being murdered. But the number of those incidents are very, very, very low. But the numbers where people, they know each other is very high.